We all know that learning is multisensory. We believe that a student's knowledge can be enhanced through theme-based events. These events, conducted outside of school hours, involves around 3 to 4 hours of hands-on learning. The day of the event begins with the registration process, wherein the students are assigned to different work groups. The students assemble in the auditorium where the subject matter expert walks them and introduces them to the topic at hand. The event in this example is Skywatch. Typically, 4 learning stations set up for each event. One group of students are given a walk through the photo gallery, which in this case acts as one of the learning stations. Simultaneously, another group of students could be working in another learning station, such as the virtual lab. Keeping in line with the theme, the student can virtually explore and learn more about the universe. The students then assemble in another learning station where they create artifacts relevant to the theme. Here we see the students in collaboration with the subject matter expert making a telescope. Exposure to a real celestial telescope to gaze at the celestial objects completes the learning cycle of this event. Could span across disciplines like math, general science, life science, earth science, physical science, and so on. Another example of a learning event in the area of mathematics. This event is titled Math Around Us. The students are exposed to the shapes in the world around us, and the subject matter expert explains why manholes are around. The relevance of Fibonacci sequence in the nature around us helps a student relate the theoretical knowledge gathered in the classrooms. Formulas like a plus b whole square, which are taught in the classrooms, are explained better with the aid of physical manipulatives. Themes like biodiversity opens up the learning for the student. The student measures the soil's pH, moisture, and soil temperature in different areas in the school and gets to understand the concept better. As a part of the learning, they record various data points and are then made to calculate biodiversity of the chosen area. To measure the learnings of an event, the students take an online test. The scores are shared and a certificate along with the artifact is handed over to the student for successfully being a part of such an event. Embracing this methodology of learning, we have set up a model school in Mysore, and this is what the parents and the children associated with the school have to say about the learning process.
My son, who was just in the first standard, he was very excited about the skywatch that they had.
My last event was the World of Photography. In the auditorium, a sir came and explained about cameras, and then we went to the science lab and we made our own pinhole camera.
We're very pleasantly surprised and delighted that in this school it's more activity-based, it's more critical thinking, and it's teaching children to problem solve rather than just memorise information.
We believe that the student has a wonderful learning experience where they are exposed to multiple resources with which they can see, do and explore. Let us activate young minds